Hey guys, Samsung Galaxy A55 is expected to launch globally soon, has a new mid-range offering in the Galaxy A series, and this is the first look Galaxy A55 rendered trademark. And as you can see that the phone looking too much similar to the predecessor. The upcoming Galaxy A55 will come with a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O font camera. The handset is expected to featuring a Full HD Plus resolution and up to 120Hz screen refresh rate. In the terms of design, the phone will come with a flat frame design running all around, and the phone comes with aluminum frame and its look too much premium. And this is the speaker design. As for the rear camera, the phone will offering a triple camera setup along with a flashlight, a 50 megapixel primary camera plus OIS, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro shooter, and the front 32 megapixel selfie camera. And the phone comes with Exynos 1480 chipset and 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB storage. Of course, out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with One UI 6.0, and the phone powered by 5000 mAh battery and is support 25-watt fast charging. So that's all about all the leak and information Galaxy A55. And if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I'll be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.